Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? It is about to be the 10th of December of 2021, and we're back for another day of Advent of Code. I'm drinking tea out of my fancy, not sponsored GitHub mug that GitHub gave me for free. So I guess in some way it is a little bit sponsored. But yeah, drinking tea. I just woke up from a nap so my hair is like all over the place, but we're here for Advent of Code. Hopefully it'll go well. jonaldbobson, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. And Fixter Jake has just resubbed at 18 months. Holy shit. That gets you a fancy new badge, Fixter Jake. Thank you. Thank you for the continued support. Yes, RCE Day. Good old log4 JD and I. As I'm gonna call it from now on. But yes, good to see you again. Let me say hi to everyone who is here, and then we'll jump into stuff. D-Delsp was first today. Says howdy, Mr. Writes Code. Howdy to you as well, D-Delsp. Fixer Jake is also here. Arrow Bounce, good to see you. I noticed I passed you on the leaderboard, Arrow Bounce. So what's up with that? What happened there? I passed you and T-Bot T. JJMC is also here. Mr. Singh, hello, hello. Color Marku, good to see you again. Jonald Bobson, welcome to the stream. Rohan Basukala, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Everyone says, did yesterday slightly late because of work? Hoping today I can speed back up. Ah, okay. That's fair. That's fair. That's fair. That's fair. ASDF, good to see you again. Steve-O Bandito, welcome back. Fixer Jake says, how close am I to founder? I can't remember when you got the sub button. Let's see. Is it? I don't actually know the answer. Wait, why does it say new? What does this mean? Monitored and restricted users. I don't think you're a monitored and restricted user. I don't know. I don't know how to view that information. Detail says holding in a strong 19th. Nice, 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 nice. A lot of familiar names on this leaderboard. I like that. I like that. Hot Yellow says, what time is it for you? It is 11:42 p.m. So these open at midnight in my time zone. Although I'm trying to shift my sleep schedule to Pacific time. It is a little bit difficult because the sun comes up real early in the morning here. And I usually just get not that much sleep, I think. Carabon says, honestly, I got points this year, which is an improvement over last year, so I'm perfectly fine. Oh, nice. How many points do you have? M. Hudson, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. We are working on Advent of Code. If you do Bang today or Bang AOC, you can learn more about that. Have you heard of blackout shades? I have. The shade setup in my bedroom is non-standard, so I have thought about ripping them out and installing my own. But I've just been too busy, so I haven't done that. Okay, so open source since last time I did one tiny thing, which unfortunately was reverting this patch. So this patch added merge equals union for a file that encounters a lot of merge conflicts in precommand.com, and this is great if it works. It works locally. GitHub does not respect this file whatsoever, so it doesn't actually help the problem, which is that people encounter merge conflicts in this file all the time. Because everyone appends to the bottom. And yeah, so I just reverted this out, unfortunately. That's all I did in open source since yesterday. 53 points, all from day 8. Nice, nice. I think I got most of my points on one day as well. Most of my points are from day 5. 6683 is pretty good, pretty good. Outdated version says, why are you switching to PST entirely for Advent of Code? Because it makes midnight feel like 9 p.m. instead of midnight. Which is much more sane, I guess. Also, I feel less bad when it's 3 in the morning, because that's more like midnight. That's more like midnight. But if only I didn't have a 9:30 stand-up every day. Yeah, mine's 10 Pacific, so like 1 p.m. here. just chilling. Also, outdated version, good to see you again. Hopefully you are doing well. Okay, 15 minutes to go. I don't think I have anything to prep other than this moving back to California for advent of code. Yeah, exactly. That is exactly why I'm doing it. That is the only reason. And why is this not working? Okay, so I just got it from a nap, so I'm a little bit groggy. I'm hoping it doesn't affect my performance today. But we will see. Is today going to be the maze puzzle? Is today going to be the game of life puzzle? Holy shit, what am I doing? Speaking of being out of it, god damn. Okay, well we got that set up at least. That does not bode well for actually having critical thinking though. What am I doing? It sounds great. I'd sleep in until 10 every day. Anderson says, I live in Eastern time but work Pacific. It's glorious. Nice, nice. Well, I can basically work whatever time I want because my team is spread across 3 different time zones. So, for 4 time zones. Wait, Pacific, Mountain, Central, Eastern. Wait, how does that work? No. 2 of those are the same. Right? Are there 4 times? I'm losing my mind. I am actually losing my mind. Time zones in the US. There's Eastern, which is -5, Central -6, Mountain -7, Pacific -8. Okay, yeah, no, it's 3 hours different, but there are 4 time zones. Got it. Okay, no, I can subtract small numbers. Yes, we are spread across all 4 time zones on my team. So I could really work whatever time I want. MD Dev says, what time is it where you are? It is about to be midnight. About to be midnight. Fabian Molina says, how to improve in programming. My advice for improving in programming is just build projects and learn shit as you're building projects. I go over that a bit in this video. This one, getting started. My bot dead already? Oh no, it's good. Large Popping says, did you get day 9 part 2 in SQLite? I did. I did barely. And by barely, this is what I mean by barely. Because it's not the most performant. m2dev.net, hello. And the reason for this is SQLite's recursive transactions are exponential in runtime. I don't know why. I haven't bothered to look into it. And realistically, there's no reason for SQLite to have more, to optimize the performance of recursive transactions. But yeah, it's really slow. And I think the recursion depth in the version of SQLite I have compiled is like 150, and this problem goes to 100, so it's just on the edge of like what would not be workable without recompiling SQLite. So I would have had to pick a different approach rather than recursive transactions. Also, I realized I figured out why I have duplicates, and why I have to do somewhere. I have to do this group? No. Where's the duplicates? Oh, insert or replace. Yeah. I have duplicates here because this query partially inserts and it starts another insertion. And so this actually returns like 4 rows every time. And so sometimes the 4 rows are already in there. But after it completes, then it won't reinsert them. So that's why it's a little bit fiddly. So it actually does more work than it needs to, and I could probably make it faster by splitting that query into 4 queries, but I don't really care. I don't really care. Just notice your clock is at the top of the screen. Yes, it is. It is right here, so you can see exactly what time it is. Which, if you watch my YouTube videos, now you know what time I record it. Fabian says, why do you like Ubuntu? I've been using it for 12-ish years now. I'm very familiar with it. I build packages for it, and I don't know, it just works. It's popular, it's easy. Yeah, it's kind of it's the boring choice of normie Linux operating system, and I'm okay being a Linux normie. But yeah, and it works fine for me. So don't break what isn't broken, or don't fix what isn't broken. All right, so we want to dash part 2. Get that one in here. Dash part 1. Get that one in here, and then ASC download input. Okay. So all my commands are ready to go. We can just do some chatting for a while. Andy Monkey, hello, hello. Bang enable ESC. Yeah, that's a good point. Did I ever re-enable Vim? I might not have. Vim time left. Is that the command? Vim is currently disabled. Okay, yeah. I have not re-enabled it yet. I forgot yesterday. How you doing, Eric? Good to see you again. Dino says, I think when I eventually buy my new server, I'll be getting the Ubuntu server treatment. Apparently Cockpit is so much better on Ubuntu server. I don't know what Cockpit is, but cool. Sounds awesome. Not even using Gentoo as your daily driver, shaking my head. Yeah. Precisely, M1EL. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. disable. Yeah. Cockpit is a monitoring dashboard for servers. Nice. Sounds good. Okay, I'm done with tea. Decaf. I don't drink caffeine, so it's not gonna help me in any particular way. But yeah, how was your day today? Mine was pretty boring. It was another company meeting all day. So basically just watched some of the company meetings, stepped on my stepper, lifted some weights, did some pull-ups. That was basically my day today. Reviewed some code, bugged some people to review my code. Man, I've had a pull request that's been done since last Friday, and because of owners checks, I need to run around to 6 different teams and get them to sign off. And if there's a merge conflict in the middle, I have to start over. I'm really hoping I don't hit a merge conflict, but this happens to me literally every week. I think only one team is left, and this particular team is really bad about getting to code reviews. So pain in the ass. 6 sign-offs? Yeah, that's child's play too. Sometimes it's like 8 or 9. If it goes over 9, there's this like secondary super mode where just one person needs to sign off, which the whole process is kind of silly. And there's supposed to be a 4-hour SLA on code reviews, but sometimes it takes 2 weeks. It just sucks. It just sucks. And I'm on infra, so I touch all sorts of code all the time. So I'm constantly waiting on owners checks. Is one of the most frustrating things about my job. MGDev.net says, have I asked you about Fast API versus alternatives for a Python noob wanting to build a REST API? I feel like a lot of people have asked me this question. I don't know enough about Fast API to provide an opinion. Although, given the whole future annotations pedantic stuff, my initial gut about Fast API is mildly negative. But shrugs. DL says, my company announced December 24th to January 2nd off for everyone today. So, did I rage about this on stream yet? Our company closes the office between December 20-something and December 30th. And they recommend everyone take PTO off. Or so I thought. What they actually do is they subtract those days from your PTO balance unless you notice they have subtracted those days from your PTO balance and then have to refund them. So I'm sure like some people just totally don't even notice and lose, what, 20% of their PTO? It feels so sketchy. It feels so fucking sketchy. But fortunately I noticed, and I'm on call that week, so I can't take the PTO, so I'll get those back. Is that even legal? I have no idea. I have no idea. I think my C# return type nesting has gone too far. Task response ilist user DTO public. Oh, you could go way deeper than that, Fixture Jake. That's child's play. You got to get some key value pair up in there. Yeah, you gotta go derper than that. Alright, fast day payout work, and it's kind of Flask, but a bit of async. But also, if you want simple, don't have to use Brain, just use Flask. The support is bigger. Yeah, that's kind of my thought there too. You're all in Flex and don't account for PTO. Yeah, well, we have to nickel and dime it, unfortunately. Sciences says that sucks. Yeah, I mean, whatever. At least I noticed. But like, I was pissed. What the fuck is this? And my manager was like, yeah, that's shady, but normal. Other companies do this shit too. And I was like, oh, I'm about to throw hands here. But NVDevNet says, that's shitty, we're close for the same period, but it does not come out of our PTO. Yeah, that would be the same thing to do. Just be like, yo, end of the year, y'all fucking deserve this. Here, have some free PTO. That would make way more sense. But hey, we took PTO on your behalf. Surprise. Way shittier. But them's the breaks, I guess. That's just the way things go. They don't tell you? Yeah, it's like buried in some document. They probably sent an email about it, and it was like in the 4th paragraph of the email. But like, when I get 30 or 40 emails a day, I'm not fucking reading that. But welcome back, Uno23. Good to see you again. Deso used. Welcome, welcome. I just haven't been putting in PTO for like last month. Nice. That's the other way you do it. You min-max that shit. Pylang, hello. VWoo, welcome back. Let's go! Indeed. Okay, anything else I need to prep? We usually open this up and get it ready to refresh. But yeah, I think we're ready to go. My boss doesn't keep track of that shit? Yeah, nice. Yeah, we have to get ours approved and stuff, and it's just kind of annoying. I like the line item in our handbook that says my company will pay $200 a month in phone and internet for remote workers. That when I found, I was like, that's a good deal, but no one else in the company, including the CFO, is aware of it. Yeah, we also have a deal like that, but it's so much of a pain in the ass to request that it's just like not worth it. Oh yeah, water. Should I fill it up a little bit more? It's most of the way there. I don't know that we have to flex again today. We could. Dessa says, one of the weirdest things that I was asked to do on my job and I refused to do was mark Taipei as a city in China. What a weird request. Why would they have you do that? That's shitty. That's fucking shitty. Large Popping says, I'm actually so nervous even though there's no chance I'm placing on any leaderboard. Yo, get pumped. That's part of the fun, right? Just like, get pumped. Age Monkey says, disable Vim. I forgot to turn it on yesterday, so we're good. We're already good. It's already disabled. Well, good call. You can actually do this command to check the status. So if you want to remind me, let's bank some more time. Yeah. God damn it. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it on and be like, well, I guess I have to stream for 7 more minutes. Good luck, Airbounce, and good luck to everyone else who's doing it today. Feel free to mute during the song. That's how we do. I agree. I'm actually really glad. So the Vim disabling thing, I wrote in like 15 minutes before the first stream this year. I'm really glad that the banking stuff works, because that's the sketchiest part of the code. Good luck to you as well, Color Marku. Oh, I should have filled up my water. Mistakes were made. Yeah, always bank Vim time. Yeah. You need to figure out how to automate day 25 part 2. Oh, true. That means we have to complete a full year of something else. Shit. Should have gone to the bathroom. Yo, the same feel. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna automate day 25 part 2. I didn't even think about that. Shit. Yeah, we gotta complete some other year. Maybe we'll make a second account and complete it on that with one of the ones I've already done. All right, anyway, good luck. Have fun. Saturday stream? Yeah, maybe. Okay, 2, 1, 0. Okay, sample input. Oh, I didn't put my cursor in the right spot. Time save for the next run. Okay, what do we have to do here? The lines aren't corrupted, just incomplete. You can ignore these lines for now. So we have to find ones that are syntactically valid. Closes the wrong character. Okay, yeah, I have so much experience in this. High score for syntax errors. Calculate the syntax error for a line. Take the first illegal character on the line and look it up in the following table. Okay, let's put this table in here. I would wish I had some sort of Vim macro for this, but it's fine. We will just do it the slow way. I'm certain that next thing. The above example in illegal parentheses found twice. Find the first illegal character in each corrupted line. What is the total syntax score? Okay. Some lines aren't corrupted, just incomplete. Okay, so we are only finding ones that are invalid like that. Okay, cool. Stack equals this. Or C in line. Oh, actually, the stack resets at every line. Yep. If C in, oh, we probably want a mapping. Okay. If C in forward, then stack.push C, LFC in backward. If stack -1. Oh, can you close something that's not open to any? I assume none of them are like that. Oh, we need angle brackets also. If stack -1 does not equal reverse C, then total plus equals points C, and then break, so that'll break out of the line. Otherwise, stack.pop total. This has an attribute push. It is append. Append and pop, obviously. Part 2 now. Discard the corrupted lines. The remaining lines are incomplete. Okay. You figure out the sequence of closing characters that complete all open chunks in a line. Okay, cool. You can only use closing characters and you must add them in the correct order so that legal pairs. Yep, got it. Cool, fine. These also have points 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully these are in the same order. 2, 3, 4. Total of 0. Multiply the total score by 5? What the fuck is the multiplication? Each character multiply the total score by 5 and then increase the total score by the point value. Okay, so it's base 5 sort of thing. Autocomplete tools are the odd bunch. The winner is found by sorting all of the scores and then taking the middle score. It'll also be an odd number. Okay. This is the example. So it's scores per line and median. We're gonna need statistics and then scores equals this. And if we find this, then we break. We no longer have a total. Median scores. Oops. And at the end of the line, we need to, if it is successful, we need to sum up the score for C in reversed stack. Here. Oh, we need to get points forward. Let's see. No median for empty data. Oh, right. Scores dot append score. Fuck yeah, let's go. All right, how do we do? I feel like that was fast. I feel like I maybe got points. Let's go! We got points! Am I on the top? Am I on the top? Oh, I'm so close. Woo! Okay, that was good. That was good. Man, all of those fucking writing linters and code formatters really paid off. Really fucking paid off. Sweetie's gonna write an AST parser, yeah. Nice. Yo, I actually improved on part 2 also. Went from 57 to 25. That's always good. That's always good. Okay, that was hype. This is fun. I really like this problem. But the funny thing about this is let's see. PyUpgrade probably has one of these. Single quote, square bracket, colon. Yeah. Yep, sure as shit. Here's basically exactly the same sort of mapping that we did for this puzzle here. PyUpgrade is a code formatter that I wrote. There's probably another one in add trailing comma also. Repos, acetyl, add trailing comma. There's not. Why is there not one in here? Oh, because we only need to find one level. We don't ever need to do any nesting stuff. Cool. This was a very Anthony problem. Yeah, this like if I didn't get points today, I was gonna be disappointed. Amin and Kronos, thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Setchal says, what are the benefits of using a keyboard such as this? So the theory behind this keyboard is that your arms are most naturally positioned at shoulder width and somewhat planed out like this. So if you would imagine taking your arms and then, well, assuming there's not a microphone boom in the way, and then just resting them on the keyboard, they would naturally fit like this. Also note that this is propped up, so a little bit different. But yeah. It's a fun little puzzle, not super hard, but there'll be a variety of approaches people take. Yeah, so the other thing that I was thinking about here, the multiply by 5 and shift over is really just like a base 5 multiplication, or base 5 interpretation. So what you could do is replace all these numbers with 1 through 4, yeah, 1 through 4, and then interpret it in base 5. Like that would be a clever way to do the end part of this. I don't think it's actually worth optimizing, but it would be one way to do this. MBM, welcome, welcome. Yes, there's my keyboard. Oh, also I did a review of it, so if you click on the YouTube link at the end, I go into more details about my thoughts on the keyb. Cool. Thank God for statistics.median. Okay, so how are we gonna do this? How are we going to do this in SQLite? I actually think that this is not too hard. Is multiplier thing like a run length encoding? I didn't read one line. I don't know. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. Okay, let's commit this first as well. Yes, this coloring was a good idea, Junk Time Lord / T-Dallas. This is really satisfying to see. Glorious Musketeer, hello, hello, good to see you again. Init.py, Python, oh. Add input as well. Python part 1. But yes, this was, why was this one so much slower? What happened? I guess it's in microseconds, so it's very sensitive to small differences in load. Day 10, part 1. Cool, thanks commit hooks. Get add dashu. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, why was this faster than part 1? Am I reading that wrong? No, okay, it was slightly slower. That makes sense. Day 10 input.txt. Incompatible return type got float expected int. I got lucky based on I got super lucky today. And this is why I got super lucky. I almost tried to submit a float. The type checker would have got me. Yes, I am done. This problem was like perfect for me. Airbound says, didn't point today. 238 out of 342. Yo, check this. Check this, Airbounds. I got points. Let's go. Wait, am I on the private leaderboard again? Am I on the top? Ah! Damn, I wonder if Alex got points. How do I get the per day leaderboard? That thing? Per day, here we go. Oh. Oh, both T-Bod T and Alex beat me on part 1. Oh wait, part 2. Part 2, I beat them both. Okay, great. As expected. And T-Bod T down here at 53. T-Bod T got points though. That's pretty hype. 8655. Nice, nice. Oh, are you Alexander? Oh, cool. Nice. Now I've put a name to a face. Well, a name to a name, I guess. Floats are even more dishonorable than diagonals. Int for the win. Yeah, Int saved my ass. Hey, what's up, CJ? Yeah, I got global points today. Global leaderboard soon. If I get points tomorrow. I can get on here. I need a lot of points though. Global leaderboard has been my goal since trying to get on here. Or since trying these puzzles. I have yet to do it, but I think I can maybe do it. So many fast people in this chat? Yeah. We got some zoomers. Wait, no, that's the thing now. We got some people that zoom. There we go. Geohots is almost off the leaderboard. Global board is a pretty intense goal. Yeah. I've never been able to do it. I got 400 points last year. I was pretty close actually. If we consider the 2020 leaderboard. Like 588 and I had 402. That's you know, 1 or 2 more days and I would have been there. But alas, I did not. Okay, let's actually fix this code so that it's not incorrect. This should say int, not a float. It was so attainable in 2017. Oh, I haven't done it since 2017. I did it in 2018, but I also didn't do it when it unlocked. Hey, what's up, Crow? Hello, hello. I've scored points on global in previous years, but I think there's finally enough people that I don't stand a chance. Come on, if I can do it, you can do it, CJ. I believe. Oh, actually, now that I think about it, this will have... Wait. What? This is an int. Are the type annotations for statistics wrong? Yeah. Huh. I guess this is probably something that the type system can't represent. Because it's based on the input length. So yeah, this is probably just impossible to represent type shed. Like what you would need to be able to represent is a list of even length with integers inside of it, and the type system just can't do that. Yeah, there's a median in Python. It's pretty nice. You could also sort and find the position at halfway point. Flatcherry, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, shall we do SQLite now? I guess I can turn Vim on for that, right? 9 minutes of Vim. Okay, all right. Strategy.txt. Okay, how are we going to do this? Okay, I think what I can do is do my normal with recursive and go character by character. And if I find a mismatch, then we add to our total. We have total stack rest. Is that all I need? Total stack rest? Yeah. For part 1. Yeah, I think we can do that. So with recursive, and we have total stack rest, and it starts with 0, empty, and input with char 10, and then I guess I should just start writing the actual code, right? Day 9, part 1, 09. I'm glad my brain haze went away by the time I started solving, because I was not thinking well leading into this problem. Okay. You happy I did it with visual mode this time, Eric? We did it. I wonder statistics that mean should always return float. That would be a breaking change, and I don't think that would happen very well. Jesse says, me not reading the challenge carefully. Also me, why is this wrong? Yeah, that's fair, that's fair. Sparky says, I finished on the global leader 2017 to 2019. Oh, nice. Damn, you got a lot of points. Last year got 338, 0 so far this year. Huh. Jagbab says, hello, hello, you are a legend. Thanks. Okay, DD with recursive NN. Total stack rest. Okay, so our total starts at 0. And our stack starts at empty string, that's fine. So select substr. There's no way this has negatives, right? Yo, it has negatives? Okay. 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 That's fine. CJ says, oh yeah, we already went over why it works that way. I think it's typed correctly. Best way to MyPy this is probably just an assert / cast. I actually just went with a conversion instead of an assert or a cast, but yeah. Fairmont says, typos that I screwed up today, not actually popping anything from the stack I was using, not actually sorting the list, assigning the wrong point values to the various characters. Ah, yeah. My typos today was forgetting that it's append and pop instead of push and pop. I was in JavaScript land. Okay. Case subster. Okay. We want to look at the next character. When char 10, then then we reset back to an empty string. When we're gonna have 8 if statements here, then we have to double those. That kind of sucks. To be honest, Python is wrong here. It's push and pop. Yeah. 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 I'm okay with Python being wrong here. I agree. Push and pop makes sense. Why 8? Because there are... Actually, it's going to be 9. New line plus the 4 opening and 4 closing brackets. Oh, plus an inner check on those. It depends and depends. Yeah, that would be fun. Okay, when less than nn.rest less than when, well, let's do the brackets actually in order. That way we're consistent. Where the fuck could this possibly be open? Oh. Apparently right here. Okay, so we'll do parentheses, square bracket, curly brace, angle bracket. I don't know if there's a way to do multiple types here. Well, I wonder if I could make lookup tables. Because that would be kind of cool. That would be kind of cool. Hey, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. If you type a chat, I can read your anglicized name. But thank you and welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, let's just are these tabs or spaces? I'm just gonna do this the kind of crappy way. Case case subster nn.rest -1 1 when square bracket, then I do a substring with negative select subster ABCDE 1 -1. That's what I thought. That's how I have to do it. When it's a square bracket, then substr nn dot. Oh, should be nn dot stack. New line plus 4 opening that push corresponding equals 5. No, it's new line plus 4 opening plus 4 closing. So it's gonna be nine cases. For this part, for the stack computation. Oh, I'm free from Vim. Oh my god, trailing white space. Substr nn dot stack 1 length nn dot stack -1. Chop 1 off. Otherwise, it is invalid. So we are going to reset the stack. All right. Yeah, and we will add the points. Oh. We need to add the points here. Ah. Okay, so we need to actually do points here as well. Can I just do fucking if statements? SQLite case statement. I feel like I've been doing case way too hard. No, I want the fucking railroad diagrams. Where's the railroad? There we go. Case. Case expression. Oh, we can just do case when expression then. Yeah. So we can do case when substr nn.rest 11 equals open bracket and substr nn.stack -11 does not equal close bracket. Then nn.total plus 57. But we should do these in order. Coffeeburritos, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Oh shit, I didn't want to do that. Whatever, we can retype it. Case when substr and rest 1 equals open bracket and substr nn.stack -1 not equal close bracket. Trolled by your own desire to leave Vim. Yeah, it's true. Not Meta says, a nice confidence boost for today. My best placement so far. Nice. How did you do? I got points today. 1, 2, 3, 4. Else and total. We gotta do these. So it's open, close. Square. Sounds fine. Curly angle. And this is 357 1197 25137. No points, but 829 677. Nice. Yeah, it's pretty good. And you improved on part 2. That's, I feel like improving on part 2 is often feels better than doing this or like just doing the problems in general. I don't know. Improving feels good. Feels like you did better on the harder part. I really wish they were easier to create off-the-cuff maps in Java. Yeah. Are you in the big leaderboard? Not yet, Crow. I'm real close. If I do well tomorrow, I can maybe get there. If I do well 2 days in a row, I'm pretty sure I can get there. But I am not yet. What is an off-the-cuff map? Just like a map literal. Rather than new dictionary, dictionary thing dot thing equals this, dictionary thing dot thing equals that. Like it's just kind of a pain in the ass in languages that don't have dict literals. Okay, so I think what I can do is when subster nn.rest 1 in I think I can do that. Then I can just do all of these. Except I can do these all. Hate that they go offline. Yeah, we'll do them all separate. That should never happen. Okay, and then we need to short circuit on rest if we find a thing. To create the score map, I had to do map string long scores equals new hash map. Put. Yeah, that's awful. Never considered that way, but I just checked and I do better in part 2 more often than not. Nice, nice. I'm about 50-50. So like worse, better, worse, worse. Never mind, I'm not 50-50. Better. I've been better in the last 3 days though. No, you could put like that. What the fuck is that? Oh, that's kind of cool. FPS Poppy, thank you for the follow. Welcome. I have no idea what's going on here. We are implementing Advent of Code in SQLite. So this should just be case, and when it's one of these, it's going to be subster and then rest inster and then rest char 10 plus 1, if I remember correctly. Otherwise, it is subster and rest 2. I think that's it. Well, minus the... Really? Evidently not. That number looks way too big. Alright, let's figure out where we go wrong. I do find it fun to debug the SQLite ones. Because we do often find it's a very unique way of debugging, and there's probably a million fucking ways this is wrong. Okay, so it's about double the number. Okay, so let's not just do max. Let's do total. It's like in C# with the static type declaration with literal initialization. Yeah, yeah. C# typing isn't hot today. Yeah. Large Popping says, I'm actually so proud I got that one. Oh, this problem's great. It's very much like what I actually do for open source stuff. FPS says, my good homie is learning all this. I wish I knew more to share what he's learning, but every time I go over there, he has to show me this Chinese language. I don't know what that means. I don't know if I should be impressed or confused. Cool. Well, let's see what we get here. I think if I just look at total and stack, then maybe we'll be able to debug this. I think it's gonna have a lot of output though. Oh, actually, that is not that much output. It is very wrong. So somehow, oh, these are backwards. God damn it. Which means they're wrong down here as well. And at the bottom. At least it's an easy fix. I don't know how I'm gonna do part 2. Part 2 feels like it's gonna be a lot harder than this. This is somewhat easy. We got a WAT here. Well, that's not good. We got a bunch of WATs. How do we get WATs? How do we possibly get WATs? WAT. We got a lot of WATs. What does the input look like there? So square, parenthesis, curly. Square, parenthesis, curly. Parenthesis. This. Okay, so it's our closing brace? Oh. I understand. It is WAT. We have to do all the positive cases in here as well, which I skipped out on. Subster nn.stack. That's weird. Chat just really freaked out. Really excited for the next pre-commit plugin that does bracket checking via SQLite. Combinatory fun? I don't know. What? I don't know. I don't know this is combinatorics. Length nn.stack -1. And we just need to put this in all of those places. This is where oh fuck. This is where lookup tables would be nice. I'm sure I could actually simplify this with a lookup table, or at least make it fewer lines. The lines might be thicker though. Oh shit, I did too many of these. Yeah, there we go. This just says, may I provide a suggestion? You can do whatever you want once I'm done with the solve. Sick. All right, what's your suggestion? Lay it on me. Go for it. Cool. Day 10, part 1 in SQLite. You push the brackets, you can push the matching bracket to the stack. This simplifies the condition for popping. That is true. It makes this complicated though. It just shifts the complication, I think. I mean, I can make a lookup table. Read table braces. Okay, V insert into braces values. Wait, can you do a multi-insert? Alright, so I can just try it. That'll be here. So like this. Row value misused. Is it like this? Then I can do select V from braces where k equals this. And then I can do where it equals the end, then this. Otherwise, where it does not equal something like that. Still need we need to flip these. Then when we can get rid of all of these. Does that work? Yeah, that works. I don't know that it's better. It's a little shorter here and here. It's probably fine. Whatever. It's still ugly. You had some mini emo hair in that video? Which video is that? The virtual video? Probably. Finon says all these cases is missing machine learning. I don't think anything is actually missing machine learning. Why are you doing, Crow? A lot more work to type out than it is in many other languages. Yeah, it's true, it's true. Okay, I think this is fine. We could also get sneaky with the first one as well. Can I do this? Does SQL let me parse like this? Oh my god. Why do I keep jumping to the next line? Oh, because these are all special characters. That makes sense. 357 1097 251137. Enable Vim. Vim's already enabled. We're good. We're good. Hey, what's up, Undi Prayer? Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Win subster nn.rest11. Oh, I guess we gotta do win subster nn.rest11 in here 10 and all the open parentheses. Then nn.total. No, we want this. When this, then nn.total plus select n from braces where b equals subster nn.rest11. That perhaps? Yeah. Okay. I think that's a little bit golfed down to perhaps something that's a little bit more readable, or at least simplifies down the cases a bit. Yeah. Pop the stack, break the stack, error case, pop the stack, error case. Okay, cool. All right, sounds good. D Nelson's heading to sleep. Sounds good. Well, thank you for stopping by. Improve part 1 in SQLite. Part 2, though. What the hell am I going to do? Fixture Jake says, time for sleep. Have a good one. Well, thank you for stopping by, Fixture Jake. Good to see you. Oh. Need a state machine for part 2 as well. Can they have a value of 0? I didn't actually check that in this. Some lines are incomplete, but others are corrupted. Are any of them complete? I'm just going to assume none of them are complete. So we would only ever compute values at End of the lines. How would we do that? We no longer have a total. We have a value for x. I don't know. The problem is SQLite does not have any integer conversion. So I can't do the like base 5 trick. What I wanted to do. I think what probably makes sense is just like keeping them as output lines and then converting them after the fact. Maybe. I know we don't need this. So we're only putting values in here. Call it S. Case. Subster and dot rest 1 when this equals pair 10, then nn dot stack else empty string. So that's how we handle this part. This is our stack management. That can stay. And this can stay. That should just give us our invalid strings. And then from there, we got to figure out how to convert them. So on part 2. Oh, but they're in the wrong order. No conversion into even with cast. I can convert in base 10. I can't convert in base 5, which is what I would need for this problem. And unless there's some clever math conversion, let's see. From base 5 to, let's see, change of base formula. There's a thing for that, right? Logarithmic change of base. Log base b of a. No, that's not what I want. Converts number to different base. Is there a formula for this? Divide by the number by the base to get the remainder. The remainder is the first digit. Yeah, this is repeated division. We can't really do that. Yeah, there's not, as far as I know, there's not a good way to do that. Let me make sure, let me see if we have the actual correct things here. Oh, they're going to be flipped, but they look right. Okay, so we've determined the strings. We just need to convert them to bases somehow. SQLite does not have octal escapes, so it doesn't help. I don't want there either. Useless. Postgres. Conv. Is that a thing? Conv, SQLite? Probably not. Okay, well, we can write our own conversion. Yeah, we can write our own conversion. With recursive query. Leftovers, sure. Insert into leftovers. Okay, so we with recursive, and then we have L. We got ID. We've got N. We have pause. Something like that. 0, 0. -1. Okay, so the row ID case. This is not gonna work. Not gonna work at all. How do I make this work? How do I make this work? How do you learn this advanced SQL? This is mostly just memes. But welcome to the stream, Connolly Ed. How you doing? This is not gonna work. I basically want to iterate over each row, build up a value based on chopping this down, and end up with something like that. The problem is I need to keep track of essentially 2 loop variables, and resetting those is tough. Steve Mason says, I'm imagining some poor sap out there at some point in time needed to convert number radix in SQL for a production system. This makes me so sad. Yeah, you want to see what I've done for this before? Think this will find it. Oh, do I not have those? Do I really not have the advent of... Oh, because it's archived. That's why I don't have it. Ooh! Sinaliples. Wait. How am I supposed to say this? Sinaliples. Thank you for the gift subs. I appreciate it. Welcome, welcome. I don't have any buttons today, but you'll just have to pretend. Thank you for the gift subs. I appreciate it. It's one of the ones? No. Maybe it was in 2020. I'm sure a production system isn't using SQLite that needs to do this, so maybe they don't need to do that. Binary, hello, hello. Fen, welcome, welcome. Sinalapples says, thanks for all the videos. Yeah, no problem. I'm glad they help out. Always happy to make them. And if you have other stuff you want me to put in videos, just let me know and I'll make it happen. Git grep 128. Here we go. Here's my terrible base 2 conversion. But I had a fixed length string here, so it was easier. I guess I could cheese it? We could figure out what the longest one is and just write up to there. We could do that. Let's see what the longest one is and see how bad it would be. Do I have a print in here? Oh, I do. Input.text. Oh, not that bad. I think this is our longest one. How long are you? 15. We can write 15 lines of that. We'll do 16 to be safe. Yeah, let's just do that. That's gonna be way easier. That's gonna be way easier. Because I don't want to write another recursive query. That's the AOC spirit. Yeah, just good enough to handle the inputs, right? Okay, we're gonna have a big old addition here. We actually do want this to have an N again, don't we? Have you processed some of the input? My lines are much longer. Oh, the lines are much longer. This is just the leftovers at the end. This is just my remaining stack space. So I basically just have the remainders from part 1. Steve says, we finished the demo, just don't do anything but this exact input. Yeah, exactly. How's it going, Marsma? Good to see you. Okay. Ooh. What happens if we have negative indexes that go too far? Subster ABC -1 1 will give us that. -2 1. Cool. What do you do? Oh, okay, that's actually good. It's actually good. Felix, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I think we have to put this in here. Not 9, 0. Okay. Felix says, please help, I installed GNOME and I made a serious mistake. Oh no, what happened? Okay, base 5. So n in base 5 is 5, and this is 25. Okay, so we again don't have power, so I have to do this shenanigans. That's enough, right? No, that's not enough. 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. This times select n from braces where v equals subster and n dot s. Negative 15, 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, this is a great hack. Irene, thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. How are you doing? Epsilon's here. Let me give you a shout out so that my viewers can check your channel out as well. How did your solve go today? I got points today. I got some points today. We're doing some hacky shit right now. Okay, so the last one should be 1, and then this one should be 5, and then 25, and then 125, and then 625, and then 3125, and then that exhausts my mental math, so we will do this, and then this, and then this. We already did a median in another problem, so we should be able to reuse that logic from that problem. I should have reordered these. Damn it. Yeah, this is killing my vibe, so we're gonna put these at the beginning instead of at the end. Manually doing powers of 5. Yeah, SQLite does not have any base conversion tools. So this is our best bet, sadly. Ugh. I don't even know if this is gonna work, to be honest. Whoops. Oh, I did that one right. Ugh. Oh, then we have to do the numbers, right? Minus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's no POW function. There is also no POW function. Yeah, it's great. It's great. There's no POW function. There's no integer parsing. Yeah, it's a mess. Epsilon sounds like I got rank 102. Nice, nice. That's good. Random Netcat, welcome, welcome. It's quite the sight to behold. It's a fucking mess, that's what it is. Okay, so then we need to get the median. Select. What is this called? Leftovers dot in. We'll make sure it's an int. From leftovers, where select the median. It's probably not by 1. Part 2. It's like there's no way that worked. Line 6 has a syntax error indeed. Parser stack overflow? What? I mean, I'm surprised the parser doesn't let you go that deep, but it is correct. There's supposed to be an extra parenthesis here. But man, they have a real shallow parse stack. We get very the wrong value. Oh, we need to... Oh shit, we need to sort. Oh shit, we need to sort. Lucky, thank you. Oh, for the follow and welcome to the stream. That's a big ass raid. How was your? I assume you were playing AOC today. How was your Advent of Code? Welcome, raiders. I guess I'll introduce myself. My name is Anthony. I stream usually open source Python programming. I work on some stuff that you may have heard of, such as Flake8, PyTest, Precommit, Talks, PyTest, I already said that one, PyFlakes, Dead Snakes, a whole bunch of other stuff. I usually do Python stuff. Looky is a famous Dota player. Yes, I have heard of you, oddly enough. Which is cool. Welcome. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, I've watched your stream a few times. That's how I know of you. So, how'd you do on today's solve? I got points today. I went super zoom in today. Got a few points. Oh, we have so many follows. Angelo Diego, Bahonero, Baltimore Baban, Teddy Pasha, Mr. Frozen Bottle, Calstorm Blessed, Power Austad, and Lamarasana. Thank you all for the follow, and thank you again for the raid, Looky. Appreciate that. He killed it after he read the problem. Oh, this guy's cracked. 50 minutes, so best time so far. Nice, that's awesome. Baltimore Baban, thank you for the prime. Appreciate that. And Masu, thank you for the follow. Welcome. We're doing terrible things right now. So usually I implement my first solution in Python, and then I implement the second solution in SQLite because it is a terrible meme language. Mostly to show that it's possible. We've done all of the days this year so far. We did most of the days last year, and most of the days in the year before. No, that's not true. We only did a few of the days in SQLite the year before. But I did write a full int code parser for those of you that remember the int code machine. Yeah. So right now I'm trying to do median, but I realized that I'm not sorted. From leftovers, order by leftovers.n ascending as t. So I'm hoping this subquery works. Wait, why are you not working? Do subtables not get row IDs? Oh, they don't get row IDs. No, that doesn't work either. Do you ever see daylight? No, I don't. What do you have in the middle of your keyboard? This is a fidget toy, and this is my scene switcher. It is a keyboard that I soldered together on stream. If you do keyboard 3, I think is the command. You can get that. Thank you, Evil Gordita, for the command there. Is there a public repo you can see your solutions? Yes, if you do bang GitHub, it is on my stream GitHub, and so they're under AS. Oh, GitHub changed these. Oh, is that because they finally added lists? I see. But yes, these are all up on my GitHub. I usually, well, I guess I can probably push now. I'll push once I get this working. Yeah. You know what I could do here? We could sort this. And then, yeah. As n from this as t, order by t.n ascending, and then maybe we can do this. Johnny T, Malwex, and Pisces Crush, thank you all for the follow. Welcome. Doing it in SQLite just to show you can Giga Chad doing it in SQLite. Yes, precisely, precisely. You know someone is a better coder than you when their keyboard is split in half. That's not necessarily true. That's not necessarily true. Is that a Stream Deck in the middle? Yes, I use this Stream Deck. GitHub added star list? Yes, they did that today, actually. Yes, it is the BDN9. It also has fun volume meter things, and I don't remember what this one is. Oh, it's page up, page down. Dog Chef, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I'm not good, and I've still got a split keyword. That's funny. Row ID equals select count 1/2 from leftovers. Try that, maybe? Error near from 65. Error near from? Oh, I've got from leftovers twice. I was like, excuse me? Is that the right answer? Right. Should have gotten this one. One? It's still not right. Oh no, these numbers are wrong. Oh no. That's not good. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. I'll quit here, because we are going to need that query at some point. Okay, let's see what the... We'll print out the score here. That way we can compare those, because it's probably my score calculation that's wrong. Shit. I need the other input. Oh, and they're not going to be sorted. Okay, so this is off by almost a... These are just really weird. Just really wrong. Huh, weird. Rug Matt, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. We need a keyboard where you can split every single key apart. Oh my god, that would be wild. Do you get less features if you choose to use the graphical installer under Debian? I cannot remember the last time I used the graphical installer for Debian. I know how the Ubuntu one works. Two froms, yeah, good call. Rugmat says, hi, how goes it? It goes well, goes well. Do you find it hard to type on a normal QWERTY keyboard? This keyboard is actually very, very easy to type on. Yeah. But I do have another keyboard that I swap to with channel points sometimes. I have an ortholinear Ergodox Easy, and I barely ever screw anything up when I switch to my laptop. Oh, that's a hard keyboard to use. Pope says, where to start if you want to learn Python? Fortunately, I have a video for you on my YouTube channel. So that's my advice for that. Johnny T3 says, I got the same answers. Your stack is being read from the bottom. Being read from the bottom. Oh. So do I have these numbers backwards? I thought this was right, though. Random Netcat and Pop Hope, thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Oh, you're right, because it is flipped, but then it's unflipped. You're right. You're absolutely right. So I think I just need to flip these numbers. 1 plus 5 plus... Oh, but that might not be sufficient now that I think about it. We're gonna try that and see where it gets us. 625. 3125, and then we'll copy and paste for these ones. Oh shit, but I just got rid of the other ones. Damn it. I still have them somewhere? Probably not. 6, 7, 8. I should just write a for loop, but we're this far, so I'm just gonna do all of them like this. Wait, this got bigger. That's bigger than last time. Fine. If only SQLite had POW. But it does not. Sad. 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 Oops. Okay. Good hint. Whoever sent that. Wait, these numbers are way too big now. Oh. Oh. I need it to be position dependent. I need to pad these. I need to pad the numbers with spaces. I need to pad them with zeros. Shit. Shit. First mishmash will have 1 and increasing. Yeah, it's true. Doesn't it have recursion and multiplication though? It does, but the recursion is really tricky to do because I need to keep like 2 state variables to do that recursion, which is more work. Are you stuck because SQLite doesn't handle more than 32-bit ints? No, it handles 64-bit ints. In fact, this number is 10 billion. It just said it. Yeah, this is 10 billion, so this is already past 32-bit int. Oh yeah, I need to pad these. Fuck. All those selects couldn't be replaced by a case. These in here, yeah, they could be a case. But I have a lookup table up here to avoid needing the case. Okay, so I need to pad these. Which I can do. Oh, I can do here. Okay, this actually isn't so bad. Case this. Then there are so I want to do subster or padding character. We can just call this X. Yeah, just do it like that. So subster of a. Wait, what was this before? Oh, it was just n.stack. We needed to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We need to chop off 15 minus length of n.stack. So that'll xpad the front of it. Marspeto, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Wouldn't this be a lot easier in MySQL and Postgres? Yeah, 100%. But we're not using MySQL and Postgres. That would be too easy. Chiro to 0, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Those numbers are still big. Why are they still big? Oh. I need to right pad, not left pad. $294, 5566, 288. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Okay. Think we do this now. Should get the right answer. Fuck yeah. Let's put in the full input. And get rid of the prints, because those are confusing me. Let's go. All right, for those of you who have not seen this meme before, my Python solution takes about 190 milliseconds if you include the whole process. My SQLite solution, almost twice as fast. Yeah, the SQLite is faster. That's not always the case. Like for day 9, oops. For day 9, the part 2. So the part 2 for day 9, I have to use this fun, where is it? You know shit's about to get real when you see pragma recursive triggers equals on, which is yeah, this is the real fun part of day 9, because I needed to do recursion for the flood fill for day 9, and this one's really slow because in SQLite recursive triggers are exponential in execution time. So this just takes a real long time. It's actually impressive. How fast do you think an efficient C++ solution would be much faster? I mean, I don't think it'll be that much faster than the Python solution. Maybe an order of magnitude or so. But yeah. Pretty sure Guido said if you want easy speedups, compile with PyPy. Well, you don't compile with PyPy. You run with PyPy. But if you want real performance rewrite and it's SQLite, yeah, true. MyPyC is another alternative. I actually did a video on that, comparing kind of the speeds between those. So if you wanna check that out, there's a video there. But yeah, this one takes like 36 seconds to run. But how you doing, Marsha? So yeah, bit of hackery in this one, but that's fine. It's AOC. It doesn't have to be perfect. This says today's solution is 338 microseconds parsing and solving. Nice. Ooh. All right, day 10, part 2 in SQLite. Sick. All right, well, that is going to wrap us up for today. Let me do my little spiel, and then we'll find some other AOC streamer to send us out to. Did I have fun tonight? I did. I even got points. Check this shit, Marsha. I got points. All right, my name is Anthony. I upload my previous content. Well, that's what I used to say. I upload my educational content to YouTube. And that's youtube.com/anthonywritescode. So if you want to see solutions for any previous days of Advent of Code, or I upload educational videos 3 times a week to those, to there as well. So check that out. I also have a second channel where my VODs show up. So if you missed any part of the stream, want to check that out, click through to the second channel. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is Twitter. I think if I go to my actual user page, it doesn't show my phone number. Sometimes Twitter will just be like, hey, this is your phone number. Everybody send me a text message. But yeah, I announce my streams here as well as on the Discord, which you are free to join and hang out with us. There's an Advent of Code channel if you want to join our private leaderboard. There's also, fun channels to hang out. There's a beginners channel if you want to ask questions about programming, and a lot of knowledgeable people that can help you out. And it's just kind of a cool place to chill. But yeah, that's gonna wrap us up for today. Thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.